This person right here has made about £303 from this website where rich and kind people offer free financial aid to people who are struggling or people who want to start up their business. This person is a Nigerian and he needs about £9,000 for this project. He's developing an app called Paytime. So he needs financial aid, about £9,000 to achieve his aim. But he has made about £303 so far. You can see pledges of 9,900. That is the goal of his campaign. So you can look at his story and read it, what his company is all about and what they need the money for. That will take us to our topic today. I'm going to show you 5 websites where you can go get financial aid. So for people who like to argue that it doesn't work in Nigeria and Africa, it does work. This particular person is a Nigerian who lives in Lagos and he's doing this campaign as well. So he says, we are taking Paytime to the next level. Currently, we rely on third-party APIs to deliver services, but these connections come with delays, higher costs, and occasional inefficiencies. Our plan is to establish direct partnerships with service providers, example MTN, Airtel, Glo, DSTVs, and so on. So I wanted to show you guys that you can do this from anywhere in the world. You can do this from Nigeria. You can get financial help from Nigeria. So by the way, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time we talk about how to make money, please kindly subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment, and share the video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch the video. So the name of this website, as you can see, is Kickstarter. Kickstarter helps you to raise funds for your creative project, for your businesses, for anything at all that you want to do. Kickstarter will help you to raise funds. These are people that have started their campaigns. You can see lots of campaigns going on here. It doesn't matter your location. Just go on, check them out, kickstarter.com, read through and start your campaign. The campaign is free of charge. You're not going to pay any money to start your project. So if you have a creative idea, if you have a creative project, you have a business idea that you want to bring to life, just go ahead and start your GoFundMe here, start your crowdfunding, and they will support you. Rich and kind people would come here and offer support. So they have categories like art, comics, crafts, dance, design, fashion, film, food, games, journalism, music, photography, publishing, technology, theater, and many more. If you have an app that you want to develop, just like the example I showed you in the beginning, go ahead, bring your project to life, write your story, and kind people will support you by raising the funds for you. The second on our list is called Fundable.com. Check out the names, go search them out on Google and read about them, okay? So this one is called Fundable.com. Fundable.com is similar to the first one. They help startups to raise funds for their businesses. So it says, start and manage a professional fundraise to attract quality accredited investors. So if you have an app you want to develop, you have a business you want to start, you can get investors from this particular website. So you can raise your funds. Investors can invest in your business, they can invest in your project, and so on. So it is free to register. The sign-up process is easy. It is self-managed. It is completely free of charge. Do your due diligence, do your own research, make sure you're convinced before you start anything. Any advice I give to you guys here is just to help you out. Please do your own due diligence. Don't pay any money if you're not convinced, please. And the next one on our list is called Fundly. Fundly will help you as well to raise funds for your personal needs. They can also help you to raise funds if you're a business or an organization. So Fundly helps in the categories like clubs and community, creative projects, disaster relief, fun and special events, kids and family if you need to pay for educational needs, medical and health bills, memorials and funerals, military, not-profit, charity, pets and animals, politics and public office, religious organizations, run, work, right, school and education, and many more. So they can help in these categories. And how it works is very simple. You're just going to start for free with your Facebook account or start with email. That is for individuals, and for organizations or non-profits, you're going to start your campaign or start with non-profit easy or volunteer easy. So come to their website, read through before you start your campaign. Do your own due diligence, check them out, see if you're interested, and then start your own campaign. And the next one on our list is GoGetFunding. GoGetFunding is similar to the ones that we've looked at. It's a powerful personal fundraising platform, fast, free to start, and crowdfunded millions for UK campaigns. This one is for UK campaigns, and you're going to start your fundraising for free. It's easy to create your page in minutes. It is trusted. Since 2011, they've helped thousands of people raise millions. There's no donor fees. Our low 4% platform fees means we don't bug your donors for 15% tips on checkout. So they're not going to bug the people donating to you to donate or to pay high fees or anything. You're going to raise funds for anything, basically. Anything at all. You're going to raise funds for medical and healing, family, animals and pets, creatives, sports, funerals, religious, volunteer and travel, business and startups, courses and charities, weddings and honeymoon, special events, and many more. And the last one on our list is FundMyTravel. This particular one would help you fund your travel expenses. So if you want to travel or relocate to another country, if you want to start traveling as a hobby or for a course, this website will help you raise funds for that. So you're going to just come and sign up and begin your fundraising. So they started FundMyTravel to give travelers their own platform for raising money. Large crowdfunding sites contain campaigns for everything from new businesses to community projects to family emergencies, making it complicated and challenging for travelers to find their voice. In our conversations with people who want to study, intern, volunteer, or just travel abroad, many have told us that cost is a barrier. FundMyTravel makes it easy to budget for your trip. So if you want to relocate abroad for your studies, if you want to relocate abroad for medical emergencies or whatever you want to relocate abroad for, you can raise your ticket fees from this website. So how it works is that the step one is to create your campaign. It's simple to start. Tell people your story, make the story convincing, and get them excited about your trip. Be sure to complete your campaign by adding photos and videos, linking up your payment processor, and posting updates. Step 2, you're going to spread the word. Easily share your campaign on through built-in social media and email buttons. This is one of the most important things you can do to boost your donations. People have to know about your campaigns before they can fund it. Then step 3 is get funded. Donations are automatically sent to your account. No waiting till you hit your full goal. You can also use your FundMyTravel page to track your offline support. Then cost. It's free to create an account and share your campaign. FundMyTravel takes 5% of all donations to keep the site running and to be able to provide technical and customer support. This one, you don't pay anything. They will take a little cut from the money that will be paid into your account. Whenever someone donates money to you, it's going to go straight into your account without being held or for anything. Once anyone donates money, it goes straight into your account. So you have nothing to worry about. If you want to travel, if you want to relocate for your studies, for anything at all, just go ahead, sign up. So this one is a separate one. The other ones comprises of startups, medical bills, school, religious, and non-profit organizations. But this particular one is specifically for traveling. So if you're a traveler and you need help with your ticket fees and anything at all regarding your travel, anything at all regarding your traveling, so for travelers, anything at all you need, go ahead and sign up with them and start raising your fund. Please do your due diligence, do your own research before you sign up for anything you see on the internet, okay? And thank you so much for watching till this moment. If you want to start up a business, go ahead and sign up from any location. Sign up and start raising funds for your business. Sign up and start raising funds for your travel. sign up and start raising funds for your medical bills, your school fees, your rent, and whatsoever you want to raise funds for. And that will do it for us. Thank you for watching till this time. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, share the video, and most importantly, subscribe and leave your post notification on so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to see the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless you all.